Good morning friends. Welcome to Parnika's tutorials YouTube channel. Lot of students are sending emails or sending the comments that sir we have watched your theory of computation entire playlist. They are very good. We want the compiler design course. We are preparing for the GATE exam or we are preparing for the ISRO exam like that they are asking. So for them I am starting the new course called compiler design. In just 5 months I have completed the 5 courses such as DBMS, theory of computation and your computer organization, computer networks and digital logic design. From today onwards, I am starting a new course called compiler design. So before teaching about the compiler design, in this video, I want to give an overview of the syllabus in the compiler design. This syllabus you will find in any competitive exams or you are preparing for interview or you are preparing for any university exams. So let me give the overview of the compiler design course. Then I will discuss how important the compiler design course for the GATE exam and how can you contact me for your queries or for your doubts. So let me give the overview of the compiler design course. Usually the compiler design will consist of the compiler consists of two parts. One is the front end and the back end. The front end consists of 4 phases such as lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation. At the back end, we have the 2 phases such as code optimization and target code generator. So if you look at a compiler, it consists of 6 phases, and what the compiler will do, it will take the high level language and convert into assembly language. Is it clear? So we will discuss about the lexical analysis, what the lexical analysis will do. It will take the high level language and convert into tokens, and even it removes the white spaces and the comments. All these things I will discuss in the coming videos. Then we will discuss about the various parsing procedures. The parsing procedures are broadly classified into 2 types such as top-down parsers and bottom-up parsers. In top-down parsers, we will discuss about the recursive descent parser and LL1 parsers. Similarly, in the bottom-up parsers, we will discuss about LR parsers and operator precedence parsers. Then we will discuss about the syntax directed translation. Even in shortcut, it can be called as SDT, which will come in the semantic analysis phase. We will discuss about S attribute STT, L attribute STT, everything. Then I will discuss about various runtime environments. Then intermediate code generation. This is very important. I will discuss about what is the intermediate code generation, what is its importance, and how can we represent the intermediate code using the 3 address code representation. Then I will discuss about various optimizations such as mission dependent optimization, mission independent optimization. Then even I will discuss how to detect the loops in the intermediate code, because the loops can be identified or detected in the high level language very easily. If you look at the keywords such as for or while or do and while, then you can say that these are the loops. But when we convert into intermediate code, we cannot find such keywords such as for, while, do, while. Everything you will see it as a go-to statements, whether it can be a conditional or unconditional statement. So it is very difficult to identify or detect the loops. Once we detect those loops, then only we can do the loop optimization. So I will discuss about how to detect the loops in the 3 address code. So these are the concepts I will discuss in the compiler design course. Now let me discuss why you should study the compiler design course. If you want to design a new compiler, then you should know about the compiler design course. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? Then let me discuss about the importance of the compiler design course in the GATE exam. In GATE 2020, they have asked 4% of the questions from the compiler design course. In 2019, it was 6%, 18 it is 6%, 17 4%, in 2016 it is 3.5%. Now you can ask me, sir, when should I study the compiler design course? If you have completed the theory of computation course or flat, lot of students are sending emails that, sir, please teach the flat. Some universities will call that subject as theory of computation. Some universities will call it as flat, which is formal language automata theory. So you can find the TOC playlist. It is nothing but your flat only, which is formal language automata theory. Okay. So once you completed the theory of computation course, then only you study the compiler design. Why it is that in the theory of computation I have discussed about various types of grammar such as regular grammar, context free grammar, context sensitive grammar, unrestricted grammar. In compiler design we will discuss or we will use the context free grammar. So if you should know about what is context free grammar, what is a grammar, everything, then you should study about the theory of computation. So then you can ask me, sir, how can we contact? I have a Gmail account such as Parnika Tutorials, the name of our channel @gmail.com. Even we have created a website for the channel, so I will provide the links. Even I have the Telegram link, there you can see regular updates, and even I have created a WhatsApp group. All these links I will provide for you. You please use them and learn the subjects for free of cost from the best. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? If something is free is available, why you should pay? And every time you should learn from the best. I feel that my channel is best and lot of students are also telling me the same. So why can't you try and learn from me? If you are facing any difficulties, feel free to contact me either using the Gmail or using the Telegram link or using the WhatsApp group. So I hope you have understood what are the concepts I have discussed in this video. You will ask me, sir, what you have discussed here? You just given the overview of the syllabus. But if you still have any doubts related to the compiler design, why you need to study everything, you feel free to contact me in the email address or in the using the WhatsApp or in the comment section. Thank you for watching the entire video. Have a nice day.